equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a Torx screwdriver. You'll also need a clean workspace to keep your components organized. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV12 from the power source. Safety first. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button and pulling it away from the main body. This will give you better access to the motor area. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off the vacuum. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors. With the cover removed, you'll see the motor assembly. Next, disconnect the motor from the wiring harness. Carefully pull the connectors apart, ensuring you don't damage any wires. Now, using your Torx screwdriver, remove the screws securing the motor in place. There are usually 3 screws holding the motor down. After the screws are out, you can lift the motor out of its housing. Take a moment to clean the area around the motor with a soft brush or cloth. Dust and debris can accumulate here, affecting performance. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Now, take your new motor and place it into the housing. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it's seated properly and that there are no loose connections. Reconnect the wiring harness, ensuring the connectors are firmly in place. Once everything is connected, replace the cover of the vacuum. Align it properly and press down until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws at the base to secure the cover. Finally, reattach the dust canister and plug your Dyson SV12 back in. Turn it on to test if the new motor is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision on how to proceed. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson SV12. This process not only saves you money but also gives you a sense of accomplishment. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us for support. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.